Hey, what's going on, Kick family? Thank you for checking out our cooking tip for the week. Now today we're going to wash fruit. So the first step you want to do is grab you some white distilled vinegar and some water. We're going to do 1 part vinegar to 3 parts water. So that's 1 cup of vinegar to 3 cups of water. And then you're going to pour that over the fruit and agitate them with your hands aggressively. And we're doing this to get any dirt or debris or any bacteria that's on the fruit off. So go on with your hands and massage it aggressively. Once you get that massaged, go ahead and pour those grapes or fruit outside of that water. Try not to pour it into a colander, because if you pour it into a colander, you're going to get all the dirt and debris that fell at the bottom of the bowl on top of the fruit. So once you remove that fruit, go ahead and discard that dirty water, and then we're going to fill that bowl back up with some clean water and go right back in with our grapes just to wash the vinegar off of the grapes. And you're going to do this until the water run clear. And once the water run clear, your grapes are clean. And you're going to take them and put them over a paper towel and let them blot dry, and they're ready to eat. Thank you guys for checking this cooking tip out. I'll see you guys next week.